Good morning, everyone. So you can see behind me my new lake. It's temporary for just a couple of hours here in this desert sun, but flood irrigation is something that a lot of people have, oh, Luke's adding to the irrigation. It's something that a lot of people have asked me about when we're looking at some properties here in Arizona. What is flood irrigation? Don't mind the dogs. So this is what flood irrigation looks like. So in a few spots in Arizona, it's really beneficial to have this type of irrigation. Open the gates to allow 3 hours and 45 minutes worth of water to run into my front and backyard. As you can see right now, my neighbor is currently getting their irrigation. We're gonna meet Chico right now. I'm gonna show you the gates that we open. So if you look down here, along with all the spiders and bugs, you'll see two gates. This is my gate. It's currently closed because my irrigation is done for the day. And then my neighbor's gate is open. And we open it and the water comes out of this large tube here and flows into my yard. It's the only way to keep all 15 of my trees and my acre of grass green in this desert heat. And it is absolutely wonderful. It's only like $400 a year too for this amount of water. So it's almost unreplaceable. Let me take you a look. But this is the side yard here, and then it flows right into my backyard. Let's take the Crocs off and go into 10-toe drive. We got the water dog coming with us at the back. Floods my pomegranate tree, my guava tree, my lemon tree, my orange tree, my grapefruit tree. Oh, food we have there. We have my quackers and my chickens running around. And now you can see after a few short hours, let's see, 5 to be exact, we now have plenty of water dropping down. Nice and thirsty yard. Oh, we got some wild duckies out here. Hey, the flock's in the backyard, guys. So if you have any questions about flood irrigation or anything real estate related in Arizona, really, drop me a DM, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to help you out.